Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone together, then select Contacts and choose the one that you want to add this profile picture to. Now mark Edit icon and select Profile Picture. You can either grab something with your camera or select something from your gallery, however you prefer. So let's choose the photo that you want to apply. Then customize it however you like. You can rotate it, zoom it in, out, change the aspect ratio, but I want to have it like this. Then tap on Save. Once added, tap on Done. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.